Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome to Kigali. We are on Friday. So we are in Kigali. Today we have a different program. I'm with my friend from Kigali, Rwanda.
John
Baptist. He's my good friend from Kigali. So today we have another program. So guys, as I've been planning, I didn't tell you that I'm planning to buy a car. I'm planning to get a car. So today we are on our way to a place called Kabuga here in Kigali. We are heading to look for the car. So as you know, we need to kind of change. We don't want to always use motorbike. So today we are heading to check the car. Then we pay. Then from there we will know what to do else. So come along with us. Thank you so much. Come along with us. Here we have a very big car. It's a beast. It's called Nissan Patrol. 1997.
Yeah, but so,
upgrade. So guys, I need you to see how this car take the road, and it's a very good off-roader, as you know. Let's wait and see how the car behave on the road. So come along with us, stay in touch. Mzee naona mwana mwiza. Mzee ni fura kabisa. Ari bije rwose mzee ni fura.
Avuga nyese.
Avuga nyine ariko turaza gufata breakfast. No muhamagara twirangije kugira tutamushyira kuri pressure.
Benza. Ibintu mishakiye mutire ruteye gutya. Okay, guys, we are still in Kigali. I'm riding Nissan Patrol 1997. As you can see, it's a very beautiful car, guys. I don't know what to say, but I think I'm gonna come back to Jeeps. Owning Jeeps with my friend here, John Baptist. So guys, so we are still on our way, heading to Kabuga to look to watch my car, to do some follow-ups about my car, my Volkswagen Passat. So let's continue heading there. Dobra embreagem. Dobra embreagem. Olha, tu comprou de safari. Kabisa kuko. Ariko ujye sanye se. Ujyayo. Witwaye. Kandi ngiye mashaka kwimara byera ari gihe nshaka umushoferi. Ubundi ari gihe kenshi nditwara.
Okay. Bank of Africa iri hari imbere hano. Aho dufata breakfast iri he? Nushaka hagara gutya mvemo simbukire muri banki ndaje. Iziri shaka kuzikomeza. Okay, right. Welcome back to the channel. We are seated here before proceeding to the location of the car. So we need to take breakfast before. So this is Rwanda. Is it Rwanda?
It's Rwanda soup, eh? Rwanda soup, boiro.
Boiro. Here in Rwanda we call it boiro. So it's kind of mixture of matoke and meat. We call it boilo, maybe because it's boiled. That's why. Okay. So this is Kawuga neighborhood. It's a neighborhood in suburb of Kigali city. So we are driving towards the location of the car, where the car is located. Yep. So this road mainly goes to the, can you call it like the biggest cemetery in Kigali? Biggest cemetery, like this is the where like almost everybody in Kigali bury their loved ones. In this, there's a cemetery over in that part. So which is like this cemetery is the biggest one in Kigali city.
Kakego kamanuka ushobora gukandagira gutyo ukurira nurangiza gucira hano uhita ushyiraho urwego rucuritse ushobora gupfukaho n'ihema ushobora kujyaho ibintu yego nurangiza ahangaha asudiraho akantu gashobora kujyamo reserve tank watira akajerekani hano y'utobo rushyiraho antene wajya ukoresha wireless.
Okay guys, this is the car. This is the car I was telling you about. So I haven't yet finished to pay for it, but in a period like a month, it will be ready. This is the car that will come to Nairobi. Yes. Do you think this car will reach Nairobi, guys? Let me know what you think. Yep.
Ikintu cyose cyitwa imodoka washaka wowe nujya imodoka jya umpamagara hanze musure turebe uko nanjye mfite imodoka zanjye ariko ubundi ngiye nkunda kuba n'abantu bari seriye cyane bafite n'imyumvire iri hejuru. So buriya rero uriya mugabo nk'ibintu yakubwiye ntabwo biba bikwiye muri business zanjye, ntabwo ari uko bigenda. Wa mugabo wa mama warava
we are driving Nissan Patrol in Kigali.
Yego. Nakubwiye last kwa 11,500 aho urambeje kandi abo bashaka ko azabibona nabi. Ziko mara twishimira ibintu byinshi hano mu Burundi bafasha Paris Nyandungu. Arega buriya bino bintu ukora ujye umenya ko harimo no contractinga abaturage baza mu Rwanda.
Ni ntabwo ifite Google Gps.
Ubwo zirazaje.
Buraziribu.
akaboro harya akaguranga
akaya
ako
ino kamera
nagakoresha kuri YouTube cyane kuri YouTube cyane kuri YouTube cyane nagakora
cyane
cyane kubwiraga imoto ingewe ibintu by'amamodoka mani nagakora mu buryo bw'professional kandi butuje narangiza kandi amafaranga nayabona menshi
kajyamo muri kadi niyo nashyizeho muri kadi 256 tuvugisha wa musaza hariya yimukiye se yari iri buranja mbona aho yari rero hari heza nyamara iriya modoka unayogeje ntabwo yaciye cyane
urabwiriya ijyanye koga amara koga nta bintu
ntabwo yaciye rwose ku buryo wavuga ngo
amafoto yasura mbaya yo ku rusengero iwawe abakiga nta kintu bongeye kuvuga ariko ubundi ya senta akora n'abantu bameze bate nta mukiga nzongera kwizera mbona abakiga ikiga nimba bose baruze abakiga sinzi ikintu wabaruze kabisa